Are you wondering how Python can help scale your business? With Python's libraries, your business can analyze vast datasets, identify trends, customer behavior, and market opportunities easily. Also, Python's web frameworks like Django helps to create complex web applications that can handle increasing traffic. At the same time, enable businesses to build predictive models, recommend products, and personalize customer experiences. Did you know Python can leverage AI to automate tasks, optimize processes, and identify market opportunities? You bet it can! Besides, Python integrates seamlessly with cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, and Azure, allowing businesses to scale resources as needed. Even Python-based NLP tools can analyze customer feedback, sentiment, and queries to enhance support interactions. Ready to scale your business with Python? We can help you leverage Python to expand your business with web application development and cloud-based Python application development. Choose WebGuru Infosystems to expand your business horizons with Python web development. We have a rich legacy of 19 years. We are an ISO 9001:2015 certified company, and we take pride in having more than 1,000 happy clients in more than 25 countries. We deliver to you the best of service at competitive pricing. Reach us at www.webguru-india.com.